does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery, with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin the installation of macOS on your MacBook A1466, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device and prevent any static damage. First, power off your MacBook and disconnect it from any power source. Place it on a clean, flat surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the 10 screws from the bottom case. Keep these screws in a safe place, as they are crucial for reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the bottom case using the spudger. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the case off, take a moment to clean the internal area using compressed air. This will help remove any dust that may have accumulated, ensuring optimal performance. Next, locate the SSD. Carefully disconnect it by unscrewing the retaining screw with your Phillips screwdriver. If you're unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can get expert help if needed. Now, insert your macOS installation USB drive into one of the USB ports. If you don't have a USB drive prepared, you can create one using another Mac. Simply download the macOS installer from the App Store and use the terminal to create a bootable USB. With the USB drive connected, power on your MacBook and immediately hold down the Option key. This will bring up the boot menu. Select the USB drive to start the installation process. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get your device serviced without any hassle. Once the installer loads, select Disk Utility from the macOS Utilities window. Here, you will need to format your SSD. Choose RSA, select Apps as the format, and name your drive. After formatting, exit Disk Utility to return to the main installation menu. Now, select Install macOS and follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process may take some time, so be patient. Your MacBook will restart several times during this process. After the installation is complete, you will be prompted to set up your Mac. Follow the Setup Assistant to configure your preferences. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, once your MacBook is set up, it's a good idea to perform a final internal cleaning. This will help maintain the longevity of your device. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the exterior and ensure the vents are clear of dust. Congratulations! You have successfully installed macOS on your MacBook A1466. If you need further assistance or prefer a professional touch, don't hesitate to reach out to us for our services. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, connection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.